Them think me easy for silence. Them think my mind belong to them. But my pen write fire, and fire can't draw.
Access denied.
Not my laptop. Not my laptop. Not my laptop, no, not my soul. Them want lock my thoughts, but me break them code. From Kingston street to the hilltop cold. Still me signal strong, still the truth unfold.
Not my laptop.
Them can't hold my mind, even when them watch me still redefine. Boat on the water, me gone off grid line. Greater force guide me divine by design. From the lane where the zinc fence rattle in a storm. Me a write truth where them never want ban. You them a listen, them brain start farm. So the system panics and wolf in a uniform. Me see the drone light blink on the hill. Phone start glitch but my spirit stay still. Them want me silent, them want me chill. But my voice turn weapon sharper than steel. Me dip on the corner with code and script. Every line when me write make the matrix lit. Them label me threats and me too equipped. But me nah bow down, me nah lose grip. Laptop in a bag, battery off. Still me typing fast like time. I go crash every keystroke. Truth get splash while Babylon scheme. For my system get snatch them outside now. Boots pan gravel. Me hear the Jeep, me feel the travel. But me nah freeze, me nah unravel. Me born for this, me carry the man for that.
Not my laptop.
No, not my soul. Them want lock my thoughts, but me break them code.
From Kingston street
To the hilltop cold, still my signal strong, still the truth unfold.
not my laptop.
Them can't own my mind, even when them watch me still redefine.
Boat on the water.
I'm gone off grid line, greater force guide me divine by design. Up a set, Mary hillside, miss pa my face. Be a footstep, no digital trace. Me know them tracking every signal me place. So my ghost the grid, disappear without space. Flashlight sweet, but me blend with the night. Heart rate steady, me spirit upright. Them can't see truth when them blinded by might. Me nah fear them shadow. Me walk in a light from bush park up to a fisherman dock. Old man whisper you, time for more smart boat engine cough. Then it suddenly spark. Me push off the island with fire in a heart. Laptop still rapping a class, salt water breeze. But my system no last. Them think them win when them pay the cost. But them can't act with divine already boss. Waves them talk, me hear them clear.
Truth beer, you protected here.
Stars align like them drawing near.
Something bigger than fear.
Appear.
You were never alone.
Dark pan Cuba, sunrise glow. New land, same fire when me know. Me plug back in, let the frequencies flow. Know the whole world start to echo. Upload signal through the sky so wide. Encrypt the truth with them can't hide. Every youth way awake, word I start question the lies, then try to slide. Them fight my pen, but me ink immortal. Words turn key to a higher portal. Not just a rebel, me something more total. Half flesh, half cosmic oracle.
Not my laptop.
No, not my soul. Them want lock my thoughts, but me break them code.
From Kingston street
To the hilltop cold, still my signal strong, still the truth unfold.
not my laptop.
Them can't own my mind, even when them watch me still redefine.
Boat on the water.
I'm gone off the line, get the force guide me.
Divine by design.
Them take device, but them never take the vision.
Chris Tech.
Signal still live.